Welcome back to Stoic Crypto. This is going to be a quick video to show you how to cash out Solana from a Phantom wallet. And in this case, we're going to send it to Coinbase, convert it to cash, and then send it to our bank account. This process will be pretty much the same for whatever centralized exchange you're using. In this case, we're going to use Coinbase. So I have my Phantom wallet open here. I have a little bit of Solana in it, and I want to send it to Coinbase. The first thing you're going to want to do in Coinbase is click on Receive Crypto. And by default, it's going to show Bitcoin. And you need to change this to Solana. Go ahead and select Solana. So this is our Solana receive address. So we're gonna simply copy this. Then we're gonna go back to Phantom. We're gonna go ahead and click on Solana and we're gonna send it. This is where we'll paste our Coinbase receive address for Solana. So you can see this address matches this. Go ahead and enter the amount that you want to send back to Coinbase to turn into cash. We'll just say 0.1, click next. Go ahead and review this, confirm the send. It'll say sent. You can go ahead and view transaction. That'll open up SolScan where you can verify the transaction. So let's go back to Coinbase. Click on my assets. You'll see we now have that 0.1 Solana in our Coinbase account. All right, so now let's say you want to convert this to cash and send it to your bank account. Click these three dots and then click sell. You can select the amount. In this case, we'll just say max. So it's going to sell all of our Solana to cash USD, one-time order. Go ahead and review the order and click sell now. Says the order was submitted. Usually happens pretty quick. Let's go ahead and refresh this. So you can see right now it's selected crypto for my assets. Solana is no longer there. If we click on cash, you'll see there is the US dollar balance, and they did take a slight fee. Looks like when we sold it. So just keep that in mind. Then what you want to do is click again right here, these three dots, and then click on withdraw. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw. It's going to go ahead and deposit that into your bank account. And if you have multiple accounts, click on that and go ahead and select the bank account that you want to send your US dollars to. So if we click on preview, let's say we're withdrawing $11 to our Chase bank account, and you would just click withdraw cash now. So it's really that simple to send Solana from Phantom wallet to Coinbase and convert it to cash and then send it to your bank account. It's pretty much the same process no matter which token you're using. Just make sure you're selecting the right crypto when you copy your receive address in Coinbase. So it's just a quick video showing you how to do that. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.